So I promised you a spec talk, and I was really excited to do it, and here we are. So Joe, what is going on with this car here today? Tell me everything about it.
So this started life as an SC300.
Okay.
So it's a 1JZ car when I got it.
1JZ when you got it.
Pulled that out. So it now has an LS1. This is from a C5 Corvette.
Wow.
Forged bottom end with a 76mm turbo.
76mm turbo.
I think about 600 horsepower to the wheels.
600 horsepower. He says about. It is actually 600 on the dot.
So we did, it's a built T56 transmission.
Okay.
Power steering is actually at the Saturn View. So this is an electric power steering column.
Yeah.
It's fully adjustable here. Yeah, all wise fab suspension.
And I see you've got your ECU like literally down here behind my feet. It is literally, this car took me 70 sideways the other day at street driven, and it was the most wild ride I've ever had, and I enjoyed it so much, man. So we're gonna take it on the highway and show you some LS stuff. All right. Joe from House of Hoonage, everybody. Damn, dude. That's just amazing. Oh my gosh. Look, everybody's looking. Literally, that's got the attention of the whole parking lot.
Turn this up now. Shake the
Joe. So to everybody who's watching this, Joe is looking for sponsors for tires. He is an amazing drifter. If anybody is interested in sponsoring Joe, please contact me and I will throw you his way. Or Joe, is there a good way for them to get a hold of you?
Yeah, Instagram, joseph.lampy.
Okay.
Facebook.
All right, there you go. Hashtag House of Hoonage on TMB Tuners. Check out his videos. You will not be disappointed. I promise you. All right, have a great day, everybody, and stay hoonigan.